So I'm sitting here just off Highland Boulevard, just off Selma, between Sunset and Hollywood Boulevard, just east of Highland Boulevard. I'm feeling very sentimental all of a sudden. I'm just sitting here early. It's 3:50 p.m. and I wanted to beat the traffic. I'm going to the 7th Annual West Hollywood Gay, Lesbian and Transgendered Positive Image Awards. It is Monday the 22nd of January 2008. Feeling very sentimental at the wind rustling through the leaves. It's like sand through an hourglass. Some of the days of our lives. So here I am alone, talking to a camera. I'm 41 and I'm embarked on a whole new journey to try to earn an honorable livelihood from my work. No more riding on the porn industry and making money from pornographers, so we'll see how I do. It's a scary time, but I'm much happier. I saw Luke is back October 22nd of last year. So I'm right beside a school as I record this. So I set up my first mailing list today on lukeford.net. I like the headline, "Make Luke Ford Your Moral Leader." You put in your first name and your email address. But it's a more cloudy day. It was raining earlier, and this makes me sentimental. Just sitting here in the serial killer van, and I'm reading a book by Paul Johnson, Heroes, from Alexander the Great and Julius Caesar to Churchill and de Gaulle, thinking about death and life and the legacy that we leave behind. I'm 41. I've still got most of my facilities, got a reasonable facsimile of health, and my mind still ticks over, and I'm alive. And I feel my life going by like the wind through the leaves. It makes me melancholy and ambitious to do something my remaining years.